Hello guys, this is Tassi Vlog Video again. Nandito ako para i-share sa inyo ang aking bagong video na how to make my homemade chocolate donut with chocolate fillings. Hello guys, this is the ingredients. Start to put now 1 pieces of egg. And then 1 glass of liquid milk. Also 2 teaspoon of 2 teaspoon. Ayan. Also 1 spoon of salt and half cup of sugar. I mix, haluin siya hanggang absorb ang gatas at saka ang itlog. Then I put 3 spoon of cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3. Now, haluin ulit, mix ulit hanggang mag-mix ang chocolate powder, cocoa powder at ingredients na egg with milk. Now already absorbed, nahalo na siya, mix na siya. Isang cocoa sa itlog na may gatas. Ngayon, I put now the 3.5 cup of cake flour. Actually, naka-measure na yan bago ko i-prepare. Yan, haluin ulit siya. Mix again. Until hindi na become donut siya. Haluin siya hanggang haluin siya. Haligyan ko, I put the actually half cup of this oil, depende sa ligay ko siya, tansya ko lang siya. Ngayon, haluin siya ulit, mix it. Mix para yan donut siya. Yan. Hanggang minas ko siya mas until magkano siya. Ngayon already na siya. Ngayon actually shortcut, tinabi ko na siya sa sa 1 hour. 1 hour actually.
1 hour later.
This like a subscribe advertise. 1 hour later, yan. Minas ko ulit siya hanggang binilog ko ulit siya. Yan, nilagyan ko siya ulit ng powder. Flour. Binilig ko like a circle shape. Yan na siya. After 1 minute. I'm going to do ready to cutting. Yan ay makeshift long. And then hiniwa ko siya by 40 gram size na idea ko. Tansya ko is 40 gram. Yan. Minas ko siya ulit hanggang pinaba. And then I cutting by each though my idea is tansya ko is 40 gram by each donut to. Yan, i-shake ko siya. Every shape ay tansya ko siya ng 40 gram by each dough. Yan. Naka-ready ang big plate, still big plate. Yan. Diyan ko nila lahat. Tapos binibilog ko siya. I make circle. Yan, isa-isa lang. Kailangan ng kailangan siyang malayo ang distance should be par distance. Yan. Mga bilig na siya. Yan na ito. She already done to make shape. Yan. Please don't forget like and subscribe kung bago ka lang sa bang please don't forget Tasing Vlog video again. Actually, I make this one only 15 pieces na yan, bali pinres ko yung aking kamay na parang oblong siya yan, without hole yung donut na yan, chocolate, homemade chocolate donut without hole yan, tinry ko yung yung top pero hindi din siya, kailangan i-push mo yung kamay mo yan hanggang ma-flat siya isa-isa, kailangan lang siya, konting push mo lang siya. Yan. Every dough I push that one make pinaplat-plat ko. Yan. Plat. Siya depende.
Dig mo ito mahati.
Simple plat lang.
Pagkabas. Will you remove hand?
It's already done. Now I start to fry now the donut dough. Yan, kailangan ang man siya. Yung simple heat lang siya, hindi masyado mainit, normal lang ba? Yung kayang lutuin ng donut, yan. Is done already. Ang aking naka 15 donut piece kami, pwede ng merienda. Actually, wala akong ginabit, hindi ako nagsuot ng gloves. Kasi malinis naman yung kamay ko, saka kami naman ang kakain to, homemade. Thank you for watching again. This already done my chocolate donut with chocolate fillings.
Homemade chocolate donut. Actually, dough niya is chocolate. So, fillings with chocolate. Yan.
Thank you for watching. This is my homemade chocolate donut with the chocolate fillings. Thank you for watching again. This is Tasing Vlog video again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe para update ka sa mga bagong video ko. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is my homemade chocolate donut with chocolate fillings. Thank you for watching.